Hey, I'm opening my new restaurant and I need a website. Can you make a form for customers to book a table?
Of course, you came to the right HTML expert. Let me just open my favorite code editor.
Yay! But make it stylish, okay? I want name and maybe a drop down for lunch or dinner.
Got it. First, we use the form tag. It's like the container for all form elements.
Cool. And how do you get the customer name?
Easy. With an input field like this.
What about lunch or dinner?
For that, I'll use a select drop-down.
Nice. And how do customers submit it?
With a powerful button like this.
Wow. You're the HTML king. I'll give you a free pizza every week.
Deal. And I'll give your website HTML5 flavor free of charge.
Thanks.
You're welcome.